Hey
Hey
guys,
girl.
what's up? This is Rohit,
Abhinav.
Tanya.
and today we are here in Candy's Bandra. It's a pretty chilled out place, as you can see. We can just hang out here for as long as we want, and they won't kick us out. And today we have a chief guest with us,
Mimi.
Tanya, to brighten the day. It's already bright, but ठीक है.
I'm just adding some color.
Yeah, man. So we are here to talk about anime, right?
Yeah. And we have an official member from Mumbai Anime Club.
Oh yeah,
Yep.
she's an official member from Mumbai Anime Club, and so we have a few questions to ask you.
Go on.
Do you think anime is for kids? Okay, okay. I'm a complete anime fan, and all my friends say that what you're watching is kid stuff.
That's okay. Let them say that.
Okay.
You should still continue watching anime.
Yeah, I know. Anime
Yeah,
has
even
been,
when you're 60 years old, you're still like okay to watch anime.
Right.
Anime.
Completely fine.
Yeah. What are some good values which you can get?
Let your grandkids make fun of you for that, but watch it nonetheless. It's awesome.
I'm currently watching Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood, and it is pretty good. It's quite good.
Okay, which ending did you like better? The one for the normal one or the Brotherhood?
Definitely the Brotherhood.
Can you tell us the difference? Like what is?
The Brotherhood sort of tied up everything. It gave a nice sense of ending to the anime itself. But the original, where they split into two different worlds, it left it unfinished, and I did not.
Which
like
was
that.
the one in which they went to in which
that's the
Elric and
original.
Alphonse went to the same world?
That's the Brotherhood one.
That's the Brotherhood.
Yeah.
I like that one.
Which
My
one
bad.
did you like?
I'm just watching it right now. Full Metal Alchemist is
We just
pretty
spoiled
good.
for him.
No, we didn't. Yeah,
We just
actually.
spoiled it for
No, but
him.
I actually knew where the anime is heading to. It is something related to that you cannot go against God, right? The rules of God. You cannot.
One
perform
is all,
human
all
al-
is one.
You
Yeah.
One
cannot
is all.
perform human alchemy. People have been trying immortality since years, and like probably you can't bring back the dead. Even
Is it
if
something
science.
related to alchemy, like from the olden times, like the real alchemy?
Yeah.
How?
Well, alchemy was basically what science was called before it turned out to be called science.
Yeah.
Okay, so alchemists are basically people who are scientists,
Okay.
and what they're using here, what they're calling alchemy, is the same thing. What they're just using is maybe some extra force,
Okay.
which does not really actually exist in our world.
They talk about the 7 sins of
Yeah,
pride,
pride,
greed,
lust,
lust,
gluttony, sloth, wrath.
Oh.
and one more. One more.
Pride, greed, gluttony, sloth, wrath, lust.
One more. That kid, the small kid.
That's pride.
That's one. There's one more. There's one more.
ठीक है.
Envy.
Envy.
How can I forget envy? He's my
Yeah, he
favorite.
killed. He got killed the most awesome way.
I know, right? That
Oh
was
my God.
brilliant.
like,
That was really good.
like that. Oh,
Okay. So they say boys who watch anime are nerds and girls who watch anime are emo.
Again,
Yeah,
let
stereotype.
them say it. It's not going to stop me from watching anime.
How many fans are there in Mumbai right now? Like, in the Mumbai-
Over 3,000.
and what do they do? Like,
They watch anime, regardless of what people call them.
okay, and ठीक है, what happens in the club meetings? Like, I don't know. I've never been to.
So-
I'm just a new member in the club right now.
So at club meetings, we get to meet new people.
Okay.
Okay, you get to meet people who are watching the same series as you
Okay.
at that moment, and you get to discuss, just like
Okay.
we discussed right now.
Okay.
It's important for you. Sorry.
So which is your favorite anime?
Nana.
Is there an anime called Nana? I've never seen that in the rankings before. I've watched like 15, 16 animes.
It's
What-
okay,
what
it's a
is the
very
best-
old one.
it's a very old one. Is there something called Genesis?
Yeah, Neon Genesis Evangelion.
Neon Genesis.
Yeah.
How is that?
Pretty depressing.
Pretty depressing.
Yeah.
The person who told me
It's-
about it was like it's very enlightening. It tells you about real world and
Yeah, that's what is depressing. Because the real world is pretty depressing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so if you ever
Okay. Yeah, I wanted to ask you about Dragon Ball Z. There's a new thing on YouTube called Dragon Ball Z Xenophon.
I don't know, but what you
And
should be checking out is
After Future.
Dragon Ball Z Abridged instead.
What is that?
What is that?
No, because
That's a very series.
I thought the last one was GT.
Yeah,
they
I don't know,
started
they were
this-
coming.
And there was this rumor that somebody said that now since they become so powerful, you can't make them any more powerful, like more powerful than what they are. Because when he transformed into what the Super Saiyan 3,
4.
when he transformed into Super Saiyan 3, that time Earth was about to shatter. Now you can't have more than like Super Saiyan 5 and then expect Earth to be still
That's
there.
okay. You should watch Gurren Lagann. They have giant robots which fight by throwing galaxies at each other.
Alright.
Check that out instead.
But I thought that's why they stopped making Dragon Ball
Again,
Z.
giant robots throwing galaxies at each other.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Abhi, I thought
So what's
Dragon
the
Ball Z
latest
was the
Dragon Ball Z?
No, I didn't follow that.
You don't follow that anymore?
like, they started one new
It
Dragon
was
Ball
after
Z Kai.
Future.
I think it's
They
Dragon
said
Ball
there
Z
was one
Kai.
episode. One episode.
One episode.
One
AF.
AF का एक episode.
Their
One-
grandkids fighting.
Yeah, that's not a real thing, or is that a fan thing?
That's probably real, but
Probably real. The abridged version is a fan version.
Yeah, because in that the first episode shows that all the villains come together and they do fusion high into one thing, and then they fight against all the heroes.
Very possible.
That's really.
And who cares if it's original or, a fan made? If it's entertaining, watch it.
exactly. Okay, why does everyone in anime have large eyes and they kind of look like aliens?
I didn't create them, I have no idea.
Okay, will you ever outgrow anime?
No,
Okay. How do you spend your time these days?
sleeping and watching anime. I'm trying to catch up on old series
I-
that I
Okay,
haven't
what do you like
watched.
much better, anime or manga?
Anime.
That's a good question.
Anime.
Yeah.
The moving
yeah.
pictures are much better. than
Manga
anime.
is, but you can't wait for the anime. In so many cases, like
No, not
One Piece, I cannot
specifically.
wait for.
Not
the-
specifically. So the reason I like anime more than manga is for its accessibility. Like I can easily download the episodes and watch them one after the other. I can pause when I want to. Reading manga online is a pain because it takes me 2 seconds to read a page and about 10 seconds for each page to load. So it's kind of it takes up more of my time. It's
That's
tiring.
just slow internet.
yeah,
No.
actually, that is
Yeah.
so interesting.
No,
Yeah, because
Yeah,
I
for me it loads
find,
in
I
1
find
second.
manga bit getting loaded pretty fast.
no, I tried those. I've tried a lot of manga download reader apps. I've tried sitting on the PC and doing it, and it's not as fast, and I don't get that much time on
Okay,
the PC.
is there a difference in the story what you get in the manga and in the real?
Occasionally.
There's
That's
usually
very
a point
important.
of view, I think.
No, occasionally there is, but that depends on the creators and the author of the manga. Okay, if they are
Like,
okay
because
with
books have different adaptations, like even for like Game of
it.
Thrones,
Generally, yeah, generally.
we have some a little bit different story in the book and
So that also happens.
in the
sometimes.
manga also.
Yeah. The original Alchemist, Full Metal Alchemist, did not follow the storyline. The
The
Brotherhood
manga?
has.
How
yeah.
is it? How is it ended?
The Brotherhood is the original storyline.
Really? Oh. But that came on later.
Yeah.
That came out later.
Yeah. I don't know why they chose to have a different ending or whatever. But, okay, it happens.
Okay. So the original one, the one which they put out earlier, that's not according to the manga.
No. Also, sometimes they add in different characters which are not there in the manga itself. They'll add in the anime, so, as fillers or something.
Yeah.
Like one of my favorite characters, Ayame from the anime Inuyasha. She's not there in the manga. She's in the anime specifically.
Oh.
So if the creators thought that she adds more to the story, then that's what they do.
Okay.
So do you watch anime movies?
Yeah, occasionally.
Which is your favorite one? I talk about Totoro. Have you seen that?
Who hasn't watched Studio Tree?
I haven't watched Totoro.
You saw
It's awesome.
Otaku ke naam pe dhabba.
Okay, what's
You
that?
have a cat, okay, like a cat moving bus. Like
How can that be
it's amazing. It's a cute movie. And there's another one, Grave of the Fireflies. That kind
Oh
of
god, no, please no.
it's a sad movie. Really sad movie. That is
Spirited Away is nice. You'd like that.
I have a lot of time. actually, like-
Ghost in the Cell.
Ghost in the Shell, I've heard is a very good anime.
very good.
And there's some
But that's a movie,
psychopath or
right?
something.
That's not a movie. Ghost in the Shell.
No, these are movies as well as the anime.
Okay.
There are new animes like Attack on Titans and all that, right?
That's really old.
Oh.
Last year.
Last year is pretty new.
No, not in the otaku world.
How frequently are animes being made?
Yeah, actually, man.
You have over 200 every season, and you have a summer
Over
release.
200.
Yeah.
They make these big storylines in like months.
Yeah, but except that what happens is that
Shit.
most of the new anime, they are shorter. They're up to 12 episodes per season.
Okay.
Okay, and yeah, as in each series has like maybe 1 or 2 seasons,
Hmm.
and they have these. Yeah, so they'll have a summer release, they'll have a winter release.
Okay.
You know, I like the smaller ones much better.
Yeah.
They have a fixed storyline, and
Yeah.
when it gets over, you're like, okay, now it's over, now I
Now
can
done.
shift over it. But with something like Naruto and like One Piece,
Gets over.
it doesn't get
bro.
over only.
No, but when it gets over, it's so sad. When Naruto got over, it's so sad,
It's,
man.
Naruto hasn't gotten over yet.
It's gotten
The
over.
manga
Then
is-
there
The
is
manga has.
the manga.
So you know, at some point the anime
No,
is
so
going to end as well.
if a person is waiting for Naruto to get over, he probably won't read the manga because he doesn't want to know what is going to happen in the end.
Yeah,
Because
everyone
he's-
spoiled it for him. Just
Yeah,
saying.
everyone's going to spoil it for him, man. That is obvious. He cannot. An anime guy cannot.
And that's okay. You, as you grow older, you learn to be immune to spoilers.
Right. Okay, so why is cosplay so interesting for you?
Cosplay is fun because I get to be the character I want to be. And my favorite character, I can turn it into real life. I can be her. I admire her or him or it. And I can be it.
So the only place in Mumbai where you can actually cosplay is Comic Con.
No, we have the Cool Japan Festival as well.
Okay, but that was horrible, right?
No, the
What?
food was horrible.
Oh, the food, yeah.
The
Okay.
food was horrible.
Okay, I had no part in that. Cosplays were really good.
She was there, we were there, we didn't even see her.
There's a
But we did see her.
I,
but we
I was
didn't.
not there. He was there. Actually, I put up the idea of going there, and you guys went ahead. Going there.
She's saying she was one of the mascots.
Name, but they should have a better name. What is Cool Japan Festival? What is cool?
Okay,
Cool things
they-
are not supposed to be said cool.
Yeah, no, we didn't make those names either. The Japanese embassy did. Hated everything.
Okay, recently
Was
she
there only
did
anime
something
in
for...
that, or there was more of Japanese stuff also
What, where?
in Cool Japan Festival?
It was only Japanese oriented. Everything Japanese.
Yeah, it was about Japan, I guess.
Okay.
Mostly all the electronic food and the anime culture
And the tea.
and the tea.
And the tea.
The tea. Last time they had beer.
No,
That was
no, no.
nice.
They had beer?
Last time, not this time.
No, but we were there.
Last time?
Yeah,
2030?
14 or 13.
14.
14.
14, sorry. 2000.
Yeah, 14 we were there. What beer are you talking about? Sake.
Not sake.
Then
Proper Asahi beer. Can.
Acai beer.
Hmm.
I just turned 21 recently.
Missed it.
Dude, we love beer.
Yeah, man.
We missed it.
We live for
Ah,
beer.
missed
We
it.
actually live for beer.
Also, you guys
so
are sucky
I didn't
basically
ask
live
you
for beer.
which country would you, if you were to visit a country, like you got a lottery ticket or something, which country would you choose?
Definitely Japan.
Even I would choose Japan.
It's fun.
I want to see Japan. But I've heard they have a very restricted culture.
No.
I just heard
Pretty
like they want everything to be perfect. Like they just want it to be perfect. I think
Yeah,
it's
they do
kind
have
of
a
good, but they
perfectionist.
then they
Even
just give
Discovery
too
Channel shows them make perfectionist people.
I believe they say the same thing about the Italians as well.
Like what?
much. Okay.
They are also perfectionists. If they don't like you, they kill you.
Huh?
You
Really?
don't go to.
We're talking about the mafia, man.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but then they have the spaghetti and the meatball.
So hard to get spaghetti
Italian
just
pizza
right.
sucks, man. I think Italian pizza sucks. But I've heard that in Italy there are two kinds of pizzas. One made in North Italy and South Italy, or something like that. There's like one place has good pizza and the other place has only pizzas which that place likes. The other place is not like.
Possible.
Okay, so which is
How
your-
real is anime? Yeah, I
Sorry?
really wanted to ask you this question. Like, how real is anime for you? Like, if there was a choice between you entering the real world and the anime world, which would you go into? You know what? I actually think anime world is so real because it has its own porno site, like hentai and all this stuff. It has its own porno site, man. Like real people have porno sites, they also have porno sites.
Okay, let's give it.
How
They do. They do.
Let's let it slide.
They do.
They do.
They do.
Yeah, this porn.
Yeah. So what about how What would you prefer?
I would like to be in
A
one
character
of the,
in one of.
Yeah, their life seems
Abbe,
much more fun than mine is currently.
Yeah.
This
Exactly.
world.
That imaginary Disney kind of world, man. That's so beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Everything looks pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm not this delusional. I mean, I don't.
No,
say that.
we're giving you a choice.
if you had a superpower, which power would you choose?
The power to teleport. I hate traveling.
Why would
Especially
you
the-
not choose flying instead? That's it
Because
kind of does
that's
the
silly.
job.
She's talking about instant transmission.
that?
Dude,
And,
flying is better. You can just fly to any place you want, like Superman as fast.
yeah, but that leads to expense energy. I don't want to expend energy. I don't want to go flying and have my hair messed up.
yeah, man, I had my hair messed up completely in the rickshaw. I was looking like a stud today.
there.
Yeah. Okay, so if anime did not exist, then what would you have watched? What would have been life for you if anime didn't exist? I can say in my 11th and 12th, if anime had not existed, I don't know what I would have done. I literally spent the whole day watching anime. Even before the exam, I used to sleep for 4 hours and watch 4 hours before going to the exam. I used to watch 4 hours anime.
Yeah, if anime didn't
But now I think I've kind of outgrown anime. Like, I think I've
Yeah.
gotten older than that. I just feel I've just gotten older, but I still like it. But I won't watch as much as before.
you have more. You have less time. You have more responsibilities right now.
Can say, or we have kind of interesting hobbies.
Yeah. You have different priorities.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so too till the time I came to know about Death Note. Took away lots of knowledge. It's amazing.
That note was
It
that,
is
that
amazing.
motherfucker got us into this.
You guys should watch Steins Gate.
What?
Steins Gate.
Steins Gate?
You guys should watch that.
What's that? What's it about?
Time travel.
Okay.
Damn cool.
They're talking about K also. Something called K.
K to dekha na, we were
It's
watching
mostly fan service. Not really that great.
Okay. Okay, so for free, what are like the top sites from where you can watch?
I generally just go to Nya torrents.
Okay, you
And I
watch
don't-
it through torrents, like you
Yeah.
can watch it like live stream because Naruto has got like Naruto HD.
Yeah. Oh no, I don't have any fixed timings to sit on the PC as such. So I
Okay, you
mostly
just
have
download the stuff.
download it and just watch it on my phone.
Watch it whenever.
What do you watch it in Japanese?
Yeah.
Hey, yeah. Actually, we prefer English sub to English dub.
There are certain anime that in the dubbed version is really good.
Okay.
Like Gurren Lagann, for example.
Okay.
Brilliant. And even Brotherhood wasn't so bad either.
Yeah.
Full Metal Alchemist.
Actually, I'm watching Full Metal Alchemist in English dub, but my brother keeps on telling me that please watch it subbed. It's much better. But
Maybe it's just a preference thinking.
yeah, for short animes, I feel that dubbed is better. For the long ones, where they bring in loads and loads of characters and they show a lot of culture and all that. In
Yeah,
that,
that happens. See, a subbed version is better in cases where they are using a lot of Japanese only
Exactly,
gags.
exactly.
Okay, so where they have to explain why is it funny there. Okay, or if they're using any specific characters that only the Japanese ones.
right.
Okay, what are some good values which you learn from anime? Like, how is it good for kids? Apart from
Hey,
the
yeah, man.
total power and the feeling of awesomeness after you watch Goku kill Frieza and saving his people.
I think that that feeling of awesomeness, I think that's a good thing itself. I mean, most people are going to be glued to their TV, and you don't want to get away from your TV thinking and looking at your watch going like, oh man, I wasted so much time watching anime when I could have been doing so many other things. But the feeling that you get from watching a certain good anime,
man. There are a lot of
that's what's
feelings.
good.
There are
Yeah.
a lot of feelings and
You need to feel content.
probably
you need
it
to
gets
feel
you in the right direction in life
empowered. You
also.
need to feel good
Yeah,
about it.
exactly. I always
quite a
felt
few of
some
them do.
animes, especially One Piece, I felt has some real good emotions.
I think that small bit in itself is the
Yeah.
best thing that anime gives.
Right.
What is your room like?
My what?
Your room.
Oh, my
Have you
room?
decorated it?
Currently under construction. So everything's broken down.
I have a small Star Wars statue. Darth Vader.
I have a couple
In your
of
hostel or at your home?
the figures and stuff. I have figurines, I have soft toys, I have a wall scroll, I have posters and all of that.
Yeah, these Japanese figures, anime figures are so expensive, man.
Yeah, they're
They're
ridiculously
like,
expensive.
they're like $5,000 for one small Luffy. And even the mangas are like, one book is $500-600. It's so
Yeah.
expensive. You have to find a way to make it cheap, man. You cannot afford it.
I don't own these companies, man. How do you expect me to do that? The only
just
advice
saying-
I can
I'm
give
just
you
saying
guys
if probably
is
some
that
company.
Hey, by the way, is
looks at this
Pokemon
video.
anime?
yes,
It's anime.
Yeah.
How is a cartoon different from an anime?
it's the same thing. It's just Japanese animation. Japanese cartoons are anime.
No, it came in. Pokemon was shown in Toonami. It was an anime section of cartoon.
Cartoon Network.
So even Ed, Edd and Eddy is an anime.
No, that was a cartoon.
What is the difference between?
They are basically the same thing. Anime is specifically cartoons made in Japan.
Okay. Are animes made somewhere other than Japan?
No.
Only from Japan.
Yes.
Ah.
Okay.
More?
No, I think we're done. We're good 23
Oh
minutes.
yeah, I wanted her to imitate her favorite attack.
Pass.
Please,
Pass.
please.
This
Come
one
on.
we'll do it with you.
We'll do it.
We'll do it with you.
I
Favorite attack.
have no favorite attack.
You must be.
All of my
You
favorite
must be.
characters are fucking lazy.
We can do a Kamehameha.
No, they're all of my characters are fucking lazy, and that's why I like them because I can relate to that. Be lazy. Okay, no,
Even
that's
lazy-
a bad,
lazy characters
that's
would
a
have
bad
some
message. Don't take that.
Even lazy characters would have some superpower.
No.
Yeah, exactly.
No,
Like
that's the one-
Snorlax has something like.
Yeah, he rolls over his opponent. I wish I could do that. I wish anybody who was bothering me, I could roll over them and they'd just be flattened.
Okay.
Sir, favorite attack. Come on.
Mine is Kamehameha.
what's your favorite attack? What's your favorite attack?
Mine is probably Kamehameha or the Luffy's Haki punch.
Aki punch.
Yeah. Like the
There's this
third
guy,
gear.
the guy who does spirit
gear
spirit
Haki.
guns. This light Yagam. No,
Light Yagami.
no.
Yu-Gi-Oh!
No.
You no.
Yu
That
Yu
guy-
Hakusho.
Yeah. Yu Yu Hakusho.
Okay.
So we have a Kamehameha,
Okay.
and I'm doing the spirit gun thing.
And you probably want
I'm
to
just
roll
gonna
over.
yawn.
Roll over.
I like to roll over. Okay.
Okay, so we'll finish off with that.
Yeah, man.
No, I might as well do a Kamehameha.
Okay,
Kamehameha.
Ah. Bye.
Bye bye.
See you guys. Support us, like, subscribe, and share.
All of that.
And if you want to be the chief guest in our next video, then please personally message us, and we would love to have fun with you, have a talk with you. We could probably do it over a beer instead of a chocolate milkshake this time. Sorry.
I'm okay with that. I'm completely okay with that. I like being sober. Unlike these two.
Yeah. See you, man.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.